Hi everyone. So today we'll be solving the second question from SD sheet of Striver sir, and the second question is Pascal's triangle. So this question have three different questions. So we are gonna discuss the most two important question from Pascal triangle, that is Pascal triangle and Pascal triangle 2. Okay, so let's just hide this. Let's read out the question at first. This question is very simple, just you can solve it by brute force itself. Okay, so the Pascal's triangle. Given an integer num rows, return the first num rows of Pascal triangles. In Pascal triangle, what is a Pascal triangle? If you Google, so this is what it actually comes. It's a type of triangle where the number at the most left edge and the right edge is combination of one that you can see, right? It's just a pyramid like structure where the leftmost corner have 1 and also the rightmost corner have 1, right? The top number is itself 1. And how Pascal triangle is formed? So here is 1 and then addition of this, like here is nothing, so 0 plus 1 is 1. Now here is also nothing, so 0 plus 1 is 1, right? Again, see, this is 1 and here is nothing, so 0 plus 1 is 1, right? Always the side number, the starting and the last number will be 1. Okay, and here if you see 1 plus 1 is 2. So Pascal triangle is nothing but where the edge have only 1 and also the addition of previous two numbers forms the new triangle or a new row or a new index, sorry. That is what Pascal triangle is. Okay, so this is how by additioning, see, you can see we are forming this. So 1 plus 2 is here 3, again 2 plus 1 is 3, again 1 plus 0 is 1, right? So this is what Pascal triangle. So they are asking us to form a Pascal triangle, okay, which have num rows of 5. It should have 5 rows, 0 base indexing. Okay, so okay, this is just 1 base indexing, so 1 2 3 4 5. So that's what they're asking. So if we just think, what will be the brute force? Since I've told it, just the addition of previous two rows, right? If we are finding for this, okay. So this is 0th row and this is first. So it will be just 0 plus 1 is 2, right? That is what, and the first number is always 1. And the second number is always, last number is also always 1. Right, that is the leftmost corner have 1 and the rightmost corner also have 1. So it's just simple, just we have to do a brute force because we're just addition of the previous two row, right? Again here, so this is 0 and this is 1, so it will be 0 plus 1 3, that is 1 plus 2 is 3. Again for this one, 1 plus 2. This way we are forming the new rows, right? So you just see, and then at the side there will be 1 1. Okay, so let's retrieve the last submitted code. So I've taken a vector as it is taken here, and then of course the num rows, answer, the final answer, which will have this. It's a vector of vector, right? See, vector and then vector, that's why I've taken like that. And now for I have taken a for loop to go inside the like num rows, like how many it's given, 5, right? And then I am taking an answer where I will store the final answer and return that definitely. Therefore vector int I plus 1 1, of course it every time it will be I plus 1, it will increase, right? Because I is starting from 0 but it is 1 2 3 4 5, that's why I have taken I plus 1, 0 plus 1 1, like that. So I have again taken a for loop that's running from 1, definitely 1 2 3 4 5. The final ifj will be what I have told you. See, this is 0 1, so to plus this 0 and 1 plus, right? That is I minus 1 plus minus j minus 1. This is a row and column thing that's happening. And again also plus 1, if you just see this row, okay, You might be thinking how this formula is coming. Very simple, yaar. This is zeroth row, okay, and this is also zeroth column. Therefore, 0 plus 0 or I minus 1, j minus 1. This is correct. Same. This is zeroth row, zeroth column. Therefore, I minus 1, j minus 1. Both are same, right? And this is what? This is 1. This is row number 1, but the column is here. This is all. See, this is zeroth row and column is also 0. Here the row number is again same, zeroth row, but column is changing, right? This is first column. This was for zeroth column and this is first column. Therefore, 0 plus 1. Therefore, the j have changed. Addition of this. So, answer this plus this and finally returning this, returning answer, which will give this vector of vector final answer. This was all about Pascal triangle 1. So, let's just discuss the time complexity. It will be definitely big of num rows, right? Square. Because I've taken 2 for loops and the space complexity again will be same. I've taken a vector here. That is why. As simple as that. I hope you understood. Everything is very simple. Only this is the thing what you have to write, because addition of, we're just returning the Pascal triangle. As simple as that. So we're just checking the addition of previous 2 rows. So this is 0th row, right? So row will be always I minus 1. But since again if we are taking this also, so the column number gets changed to 1. Therefore j it becomes. As simple as that. Now let's look at this Pascal's triangle 2. Given an integer row index, return the rows of the Pascal triangle. So what it is saying that we are given a row index. So we are given a 0 base. This time it's 0th base indexing. So we are given the third row here. 1, 2, 3. This is the third row. And you have to return what is present in the third row. 1, 3, 3, 1. The first thought what it comes like, okay, we will, we can, if we just think, we can just solve this, right? And then after that we can manually call the third row. From here we can get the third row and return it. But why to do so many tasks? This can be your initial thing. Okay, we are just gonna solve like Pascal triangle 1. Like we are gonna get this. And then we will just call manually please return third row. But why to do so many tasks? This will have a bigger time complexity. We can do it in a better way also, right? So just a simple formula thing, if you can look here, that actually comes, this is the formula, the main point. Okay, the star of this solution, which is this. If you found this by yourself, great. Okay, else you just can remember this. And so I have taken a vector here and a long answer 1. Why? Because every time it will be starting with 1, right? That is the greatness of Pascal's triangle. That is the uniqueness of Pascal triangle, right? And then I will push the answer because the first is always 1, right? Therefore long I am taken as 1. And then I have to run the for loop. And then I have taken answer, that is 1 into row index. Now I will show how this 2 is coming here. So suppose you just see row for this. Okay, let's do for this only. We are given row is here 3, right? So 1 into, that is answer is 1, right? First. And then row is what? 3 plus 1 minus I first. Because we are finding this. So this is 0 and this is 1. Therefore I will be 1 minus 1 divided by 1. So what is the answer coming? 3 plus this get cancelled. 3 by 1 is 3. 1 into 3 is 3. Therefore 3. See, this is the answer. Similarly for this also, you just check it out, pause the video and find it by yourself. This is the catch of this solution. And then yeah, just push it in the answer and then finally return V. As simple as that. I hope you get the answer. You got the answer. So yeah, that was it. Okay, let's discuss the time complexity. The time complexity here is definitely big of, and I've just used a single for loop here, right? that is the row index, right? Just a single iteration. And then the space complexity here is definitely big of n only, because I have only the big of v or whatever you can write. I have just taken one vector here. That is the final answer, right? I hope you understood the solution for both of the question of Pascal triangle and Pascal triangle too. If you did, give a thumbs up or jo bhi karna hai. But yeah, keep lead coding and keep grinding. Bye.